What is going on, everyone? It's the girl Cookie back at it with another video. Today I am going to do something super exciting. I wish I'd done a video like this a while ago and I never did, and I kind of regret it, so I want to do it now. And we are gonna do a tour of my stream room. I'm excited to show you guys what my setup is. Let's just get into it. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with these posters that I have. Actually, these were from calendars, 2021 calendars that I had, and I was like, oh, they look super cool to be like an actual poster, so that's what I did. Five Nights at Freddy's, you already know, love to see it. This is me and Wes's, like I don't know how to say it, like bill calendar. Like, this is when rents due, our car insurance and stuff, you know, nothing exciting, but this is how we kind of get to keep track of our life. This is something that Wes got for his birthday, I think, or Christmas. These two Spider-Man posters, actually. It's a pretty nice asset to the room. And this is our whiteboard. I used to change it all the time, but this I decided to keep. You will make it, because sometimes your girl be a little down and I need some encouraging. So who's the best person to encourage you is you. And that's why I have that there. This little cloud I actually got from where did I get it from? Amazon. It wasn't too expensive. It was like 10-12 bucks, I would say. Super cute. It's battery powered, or I can't even get it. Battery powered, or even you could plug like the USB part. So yeah, it's not even focused, but whatever. And of course, a couch. This sofa actually used to be our living room sofa, but we got a new one, so we decided to move it in here, and it fits perfectly. I love this part. This is my wall of manga. There's so many different ones. You can see they're all different. I love it. Demon Slayer. But yeah, they're all different. And what? Oh! No, it's coming off. Okay. Wall of manga. I love it. I actually wanted to extend it, but it didn't work out that way. Oh, and this is my second favorite part of the room. I actually just added this back. This is one of my old toys that I used to have when I was a little girl, and I just found it at my mom's house over the weekend, actually, and I was like, oh my god, this is gonna go perfect in my stream room. So yeah, who knows, this is gonna be worth a lot of money, hopefully in the future, you never know. But I don't know, because it's a little ripped, but you can tell how old it is because it's from Toys R Us. That doesn't even exist anymore. So yeah, that used to be an old figurine. I'm actually happy I never took it out of the box. I think I used to want to, but then my parents were like, nah, this can be worth money. So thanks, mom and dad. And we have my Cheetos pillow. I got this for Halloween. I saw it on TikTok and I was like, oh, I need it. And yeah, I did a TikTok moment and I got that. Charizard! You know what? This is the first toy that Wes won for me on our date. It's crazy to think. It was at Dave & Buster's. It was I don't remember what it was. It was some, I think it must have been the clampy thing where it's like boop. I don't know. I think so. I don't remember. But yeah, that was what Wes won for me on our first date. Super, super cute. I don't know where this one came from. To be honest, I don't know. He looks like he don't even know where he came from. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, Spider-Man. And we have Voodoo Ranger. I won this in a contest. It came with it's super cool, like it's super detailed. Yeah, Voodoo Ranger. I won it in a contest for I don't know, I just entered in it. And my favorite, who we now call Tom Hanks, but it's Tom Nook from Animal Crossing. He's so soft, but I love it. Dun, 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 dun. And my ultimate favorite, my figurines. I actually want to add more to this collection, but you know, your girl's broke, so we'll see whenever that happens. So we have Zenitsu here. We have Nezuko. God, Tanjiro. There we go. Ah! Y'all, my anime husband, you already know I had to buy him. Hold up, wait, we need to focus on him. Okay, you already know I had to order that man. But I love Kakashi, and it's not even focusing. It's still focusing on my man. Okay, there we go. And Kakashi, super cool. There we go. Yeah, my Kakashi figurine. And since of course I had to get my anime husband, I got Wes's anime wife. And this is oh my god, why do I always forget her name, bro? Freaking, oh my god. Oh my god, I literally forgot what her name is. I completely forgot what her name is right now. If you remember, drop it down in the comments, because I really my brain is completely gone right now. I don't remember. Drop it down in the comments of what her name is. I completely forgot. Spooky characters, so I'm gonna take them out actually, because it's special. So this one is a Freddy versus Jason. It's so cool. All right, there we go. It's kind of better now. Yeah, they were quite expensive. I think I paid $30 for this. Like, it's $30 per box, but so worth it. It's so worth it. Like, it's literally a classic. And this is all his things that he could do. All right, and the next one we got is Halloween. Ooh, oh, it includes a light. I didn't even know that. Oh, a lighting pumpkin. Wow, I didn't even know that. Yes, Mr. Michael Myers. You already know. Again, this costs like $30. Super worth it. I'm not even regretting it whatsoever. I love these things. I want to get more. There's a whole collection of them that you can actually get, and I want to get some more, but that ain't easy to get. All the different scenes, super cool. And the last one, we have it, Mr. Pennywise. I love it. I said this for all of them, but you know, same thing, $30. So worth it. This is his newer version. They actually have his classic version. Oh wow, it even says Georgie on it. I didn't even notice that. That is so dope. $30. Oh, I was so mad. You know, I just got reminded about this. Wow, I was so mad. Okay, y'all, I paid I paid extra for this bag. It was $35, I think, like $35, $40 extra. And I was like, oh, F it, I'm gonna get it. Like, so worth it. Bro, tell me how it came in the package like this, crumbled up and all, bro. I was ready to return it and like try to get a new one, but apparently this was the last one in stock. So yeah, thanks a lot, Target employee, for fucking up my box, but it's all good. At least the actual toy isn't damaged, otherwise I'll be really pissed. And then down here we have the mangas itself, like lined up here. We have Kingdom Hearts, the whole collection, only one Bleach because I never continued on it, as well as Fairy Tail, Archangels. Is this mine? And of course the Demon Slayer. And then we have the Demon Slayer collection. I'm actually trying to finish reading that. Yeah. And then no, this back here is not the actual Spam Cam. I don't want to turn it around because then all my change ends up falling out. So, but yeah, it's actually a coin safe. And right here we have, it was a PS2 exclusive that I found at GameStop for on sale. Only 20 bucks I paid for this. And these here is just comics that I haven't finished reading. I really need to, but it's a whole load of them. I actually want to build up to where there's a lot. Like if it could fill up all the way up here and more, that's the ultimate goal. We have Mr. Plankton and a bunch of stickers all around. This is my first original sticker that I ever did. And it's everywhere. We have a picture of little baby Sora as a Pokemon. All right, and the moment you all been waiting for, my actual setup. Eco chair thing that we actually recently bought at Office Depot. And we have 2 dual monitors. This is a LG, I don't know. And then this is a Acer, I don't know. I'm gonna be 100. I don't know the names of any of these things, but I'm just showing you guys what we at least have. So yeah, I don't know the specs really. Oh yeah, we have like little Chucky poster and It poster as well. And we have little pops at the top. I completely forgot to show these. This is a normal Amazon light. Originally, I was gonna get an Elgato, but I'm like, your girl don't have money like that. And this actually is a perfect alternative. I got it for Amazon for only like, I'll say probably like 20 bucks, maybe not even, maybe a little less. And it works perfectly fine. I love it. Yeah, don't mind our cable management back there. Yeah, so, and then we have these speakers here. Pretty simple and nothing too fancy. It does the job. It was from Best Buy. And oh, it's a Logitech. Okay, yeah. See, I completely forgot that it was Logitech. Yeah, Logitech, I got it at Best Buy for only 30 bucks and I love it. So yeah, it's still pretty good. And here is where the magic of my you see my face happens. This is a Canon M50, I believe. Yeah, super good. I love it. With this tripod that I got from Amazon as well. I'll say this is like 30 bucks also that I spent on it. But the camera, you don't even want to know how much I spent on that. It's a Canon and you can already imagine how expensive it was. And let me tell you, it really was. And then right here we have the Logitech headphones. I forgot what it's called, but it's pretty popular. I think it's really cool because I can actually change this band. Not that I ever will, but I can change it if I want to kind of like fit my mood. And this is actually what's holding it. Nothing too fancy. I would say I only spent maybe 15 bucks from Amazon. Oh yeah, I totally forgot to say about my lights. So these are my ceiling lights. They usually makes the color on my streams. I paid about 60 bucks for them. And this is the mic that we use. We use the HyperX, best mic that I invested in. It costs $160. Way better than the old one I used to have. I think the old one I had was a Samsung and that shit was not that great. But HyperX, definitely love it. So shout out to you HyperX for like fixing my voice because it's so much better. And this is the tripod that's holding it. This is actually the newest thing that I got for this setup. I would say luckily I got a pretty good deal on this. Usually it was 50 bucks, but I only paid 5 bucks for it because I got a gift card. And it was great because it works so good. It bends, you know, as far as I need it to. And yeah, it's so much better because it doesn't creak or anything. Chucky looks super freaking creepy staring at me while I'm talking to this. And this is where the desktop itself is. It's so bootleg. Yes, it's on an Amazon cardboard because we don't have nowhere to put it. It's gigantic. It's down here. It's gigantic. Like I said, I don't know the specs, so I'm sorry, I can't help. But actually the homie Soy gave us this tower, so shout out to you Soy for giving us this bigger tower. Eventually we do want to upgrade like the stuff inside, but yeah, either way it's good for now. And here's a Stream Deck. It's not the small one or the large one, just the like medium one. I've been trying to make the camera not do this thing that it's doing, but it's not working, so yeah, I can't really show too much because I don't know what the hell is going on right now. And here we have our keyboard, custom keyboard. Once again, shout out to Soy. He's the one that did it for us. It's super cool. It comes out with lights on the side and even in the interior, as you can see. Super cool. These keycaps were also custom. It's silent, kind of. But it's super good. Shout out to Soy again for getting this done for us. Love it, love it. And last but not least, we have our wireless keyboard, Logitech. I have a lot of Logitech stuff, and we have the HyperX mouse pad. All right, you guys, well, that concludes my stream room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I tried to be as detailed as I could in this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to drop a like and also hit that subscribe button so you could be part of the Crumb Squad. And let me know down in the comments if you enjoy more videos like this. And until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!